Hello Festive foodies, welcome back to our channel, where we turn ordinary meals into extraordinary celebrations. Christmas is just around the corner, and today we are diving into some delightful Christmas food decoration ideas that will add a magical touch to your holiday feast. Grab your aprons and let's get started. Let's begin with something simple yet stunning: fruit and veggie Christmas trees. Start by using a styrofoam cone as your base. Skewer some cherry tomatoes, cubes of cheese, cucumber slices, and grapes and arrange them around the cone to create a festive tree. Not only it's eye-catching, but it is also a healthy snack for your guests. Next up, let's do cookies, a Christmas staple. Transform plain sugar cookies into edible works of art. Use green icing to create Christmas trees, white icing for snowflakes, and red for candy canes. Add edible glitter and tiny sugar pearls for a touch of sparkle. It is a fun activity you can do with kids too. Breakfast can be festive too. Stack up pancakes into a Christmas tree shape. Layer them small as you go up, and finish with whipped cream snow and strawberry decorations. Dust a little powdered sugar for a snowy effect. It is the perfect way to start Christmas morning. For your main table, a Christmas-themed charcuterie board is a must. Arrange meats, cheeses, and crackers in the shape of a wreath. Add some rosemary sprigs and cranberries for a festive touch. It is a showstopper that your guests will love digging into. How about a DIY hot chocolate bar? Arrange mugs, a pot of steaming hot chocolate, and bowls of toppings like marshmallows, candy canes, whipped cream, and chocolate chips. To make it extra festive, serve with cinnamon sticks or peppermint stirrers. Perfect for cozying up by the fire. Cupcakes can also get a festive makeover. Pipe green frosting in a swirl to mimic a Christmas tree. Then decorate with mini candy ornaments and a star on top. Place them on a tiered tray for a Christmas tree cupcake display. Now for the centerpiece, your holiday roast. Garnish it with cranberries, rosemary sprigs, and orange slices for a festive and fragrant decoration. A beautifully presented main course can elevate the entire dining experience. Let's keep the festive spirit alive with show-stopping dessert, the classic Christmas trifle. Lay a sponge cake, colorful jelly, custard, whipped cream, and fruit in a clear trifle bowl. For an extra festive twist, use red and green jelly and top it off with edible ghost stars or crushed candy canes. It is a dessert that tastes good as it looks. If you're hosting a party and want individual servings, try mini dessert jars. Layer chocolate mousse, crushed cookies, and whipped cream in small mason jars. Tie a ribbon around the jar and add a festive tag. They're adorable, delicious, and perfect for guests to take home as a treat. Up next, let's make some Christmas chocolate bark. Melt dark and white chocolate separately. Spread them on parchment paper and swirl them together. While the chocolate is still melted, sprinkle on crushed candy canes, dried cranberries, and pistachios. Once set, break it into pieces and arrange them on a festive plate. It is an easy crowd pleaser and makes a great edible gift too. Now let's talk beverages. You can decorate your drinks to match the holiday vibe. For mocktails, rim your glasses with colored sugar. By dipping them into lemon juice and then into sugar dyed red or green. Garnish drinks with fresh mint leaves and cranberries for that festive flair. With all these ideas, your Christmas celebration is sure to be a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Remember, the joy of the season is in the little details, the love and care you put into making everything special for your family and friends. If you tried these ideas, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more holiday magic. Until next time, happy holidays and Merry Christmas!